Hi guys, you are watching IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to install latest Windows 11 25H. And first of all, you have to go onto the Microsoft website. You have to type on Chrome browser Windows 11 download. Then you will have a first link. Then once you click onto the first link, then you have to scroll down it, and you have to scroll down it, and then you have to select Windows 11 ISO. Then you have to confirm it, and then you have to select your language. So first of all, you have to check your Windows 10 language. You have to type and then run as administrator, and then so you can see that the our English is United States, basically English United States, our languages. So we have to select English United States. So this step is very important, and you have to select this step carefully. Then you have to confirm it. Then you have to click onto the download button. So you can see that Windows is being downloaded in front of you, and I'm going to stop this downloading because I have already downloaded the ISO. So let me go into the download folder. So you can see that, and now we have to copy this and go into the C drive, and then right click on it, then type you have to create one folder and then paste it here. Then once it is copied, then we have to extract the files. So it is being copied. So it has been copied, and now we have to extract here. Right click on it, extract here. So file has been extracted. Now you have to open the command line, right click on it, run as administrator. You have to go onto the C drive, so Windows installation has been started in front of you. You can see that. So you can download update in parallel with the installation. So in order to save time, I'm going to click not right now, then hit next. Accept. Now we will keep all the files and settings as it is. So it would take a little time. Now we have to click onto the install button. You can see that all the files and data as it is. So just we need to install it. So once we click on to the installation will be started instantly, and Once it is done, I will be back. So latest Windows 11 25 H2 has been installed successfully, and you can see that. So let me show you. You can see that. So everything is good, and now you can enjoy latest Windows 11 25 H2 features and Windows 11 obviously. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.